Hi everyone, welcome to Chef Rajendra Rao's kitchen. Today I am going to make a very special chicken biryani. Okay, for that we need chicken. This is thoroughly washed 1 kg chicken is here. Okay, and I have 400 grams of onion, chopped onion, and around 5 pieces of green chili, 400 grams of tomato, finely diced tomato, 1 kg soaked rice, basmati rice, as well as I have pure ghee, yogurt, plain yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and chopped mint and coriander. Both are mixed half of bunch of each. And here I have salt, I have chili powder here. Here I have some bay leaves, cinnamon stick, Marathi muggu, cloves, and green cardamom, and this is javitri. All these things. Okay, I will start cooking. To add around 50 ml of pure ghee and 150 ml of you can drop all these ingredients first. You can add some chilies as well as onion, 400 gram onion. So yeah, now the onion is brown. Okay, it's good in color. So now I am going to add chili powder. Okay, 2 tablespoons chili powder. Now, along with this, I am going to add ginger garlic paste. This is almost 150 grams of ginger garlic paste. Now I am adding this mint and coriander chop. Add some water because the ginger garlic will stick the pan. Now I am going to add 400 gram tomato as well as salt. Salt is as well as yogurt, 200 gram yogurt. Time to mash. In this stage, okay, you can add the 1 kg chicken which is washed already thoroughly. So close this and leave it for few minutes. In this gap, take one whistle, pour water around 5 liters, 4 to 5 liters, make it hot. This is 2 balls already which were soaked here. Actually you are supposed to soak basmati rice at least half an hour. More than half an hour, that's good, but not less than half an hour. So at least more is getting ready. I am going to add this rice for boiling. We are going to add this rice into the gravy. So now slightly mix the rice. Don't mix it so hard because the rice will break. See, the water and rice is in equal quantity. Okay, you can say this. The water is in the equal level. This is the right measurement. So here you can leave this. Here I have the water, hot water, the rice boiled water. Okay, so I am just keeping this on the top. Okay. We will put it in a sim fire. We will leave it for 20 minutes. Now the 20 minutes is over. So now we are going to switch off the biryani. Wow, the biryani is cooked very properly. Finally, the biryani is ready to serve. Okay, we are serving with raita. Raita is nothing, just chopped onion with very little bit of tomato plus plain yogurt and salt. Just mix it well. That is a very good combination for this. Also, I am giving a boiled egg along with this. Let me try the biryani. Really awesome.